However, after reading the benefits of turmeric, you might want to consult your doctor before consuming turmeric. This is just a short disclosure. Go ahead and subscribe and share this video. Thank you for your time, and do not forget to subscribe. Katia Valino loves you so much. Bye bye and have a good time. See you in my next video.